Milwaukee introduces the M12 AIRSNAKE drain cleaning air gun. This powered air pipe clearing solution is the industry's only drain cleaning machine designed to clear through drain covers and traps with powered air. This allows users to clear clogged drains while leaving fixtures and drain covers intact. The M12 AIRSNAKE has optimized attachments for sinks, toilets, and floor drains ranging in sizes from 1 1/4 inches up to 4 inches. A 10-inch extension gives you the ability to work in up to 20 inches of standing water. Instantly reach clogs 35 feet out with up to 50 psi. This gives you enough power to clear clogs past vent stacks and tees. Set pressure using a variable pressure dial that allows for control on delicate pipe systems. The M12 AIRSNAKE delivers enough power to remove grease and sludge from pipe walls, making this the best solution out there for grease clogs and slow drains. Milwaukee Tool is passionate about delivering a host of drain cleaning solutions to service plumbers and facility maintenance professionals. The M12 AIRSNAKE drain cleaning air gun is just one piece of the drain cleaning system of products designed to keep you working with less hassle to get out on more service calls. The Milwaukee M12 AIRSNAKE drain cleaning air gun, the powered air pipe clearing solution.